Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a folder in Microsoft Teams. This is incredibly useful for organizing your Teams files and keeping everything structured and easy to find. Let's dive right in. First, open your Microsoft Teams application and log into your account. Make sure you're using the correct credentials to access the right workspace where you need to create the folder. Once you're logged in, take a look at the left side of your screen. You'll see a navigation panel with several options. Click on Teams to access your teams and channels. This is where all your collaborative workspaces are organized. Now you need to select the specific channel where you want to create the folder. Channels are typically organized by project or topic, so choose the one that makes the most sense for your new folder. Click on that channel to open it. At the top of the channel, you'll see several tabs. Look for the tab labeled Files or Shared and click on it. This tab is your gateway to all the documents and folders stored within that particular channel. It's essentially your team's shared file storage area. Once you're in the Files section, right-click on any empty area within the file viewing space. A context menu will pop up with several options. From this menu, click on Add New. This opens up the options for creating new content within this space. From the submenu that appears, click on Folder. This tells Teams that you want to create a new folder rather than uploading a file or creating a document. A dialog box will appear, prompting you to customize your new folder. Here, you'll need to type in a folder name that clearly identifies what will be stored inside. Make it descriptive so your team members can easily understand its purpose at a glance. You'll also notice an option to pick a folder color. This is a nice visual feature that helps differentiate folders quickly, especially when you have many folders in your workspace. Choose a color that makes sense for your organizational system. Once you've entered the folder name and selected your preferred color, click Create. The system will process your request and the new folder will appear in your Files section. And that's it. You've successfully created a folder in Microsoft Teams that your entire channel can now use to organize and access important files. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.